guns.
That intro you saw is probably going to be the coolest thing you're going to see in this video today. So if you want to stop watching, I understand. Actually, don't leave. Watch this, please. Okay, inside this box is a GoPro Hero 4 Silver. It's refurbished. I'm going to be unboxing it. As you can see here, it's not like the new GoPros. It's like in the refurbished packaging. Which is understandable because I paid like $100 less than the original, like new one. The recommended SD card, 32 gigs. And open the GoPro package. God, these boxes, man. I don't have a PhD in box opening. Ooh, okay. Okay. Shiny. Actually looks pretty nice, right? Lithium battery. And this is the GoPro. It's in its housing right now. I'll take it out. Instructions, who needs this? These GoPro mounts, which I don't know how to use. These are different housings for the waterproof thing, whatever. Oh, these are like adhesives you can like attach it to like a skateboard or your car, right here. And the charging cable. They didn't give me a sticker. Like, I only bought the GoPro for the stickers, and they didn't give me any. You have its housing right now. Release right here. The GoPro should come out. Okay, here's the GoPro without the housing. Looks pretty new. Looks just like it's brand new. Like, you can see this, like, there's no scratches. The lens looks pretty good for a refurbished GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Really happy about this. Alright, I'm gonna put the battery in the GoPro. You just slide it out. Oh, there you go. Then you pop this bad boy in. Then you're ready to go. I'm gonna turn on. It beeps. There it is. See, I think then you can see the screen right here. It's recording me, so you can like see me recording this. I'm gonna pop the SD card in, and we should be ready to. Ow, fuck. I was just assaulted by my own SD card. SD card tried to kill me. I'm gonna pop it into the GoPro. Oh shit. Yeah, right here. And then we should be recording after that. I think I'm gonna test some of the footage out, and I'll put it in this GoPro unboxing review / video test. This is what I'm gonna maybe title it, but don't mark my words. Oh, it's recording. You see this, guys? So this is on the GoPro Hero 4 Silver footage right here. As you can see, this is outside my dorm room. This is me. This is me. I'm Alan. I'm that Asian guy that you're watching. This is my dorm room. Okay. Them gains. Yeah, I'm small. So let me know what you guys think of this footage. Now I'm gonna switch the camera into its waterproof housing to test out the audio and the video quality, see if it changes at all. So this is the footage with the GoPro Hero 4 Silver waterproof housing case on it. This is me. This is the audio test. Hello, hello. I would imagine the audio is pretty muffled because of the case, but I'm pretty sure without the case, audio is pretty good, but with the case on, it's pretty muffled and kind of hard to hear me. Room right here. Yeah, so I feel like anytime you have like use a GoPro in your video, you have to do something epic. Sorry I didn't do anything epic, but here's like some GoPro video of epic stuff. Probably the most epic thing it'll probably be the most epic thing you see in this video. Right here. Or the intro is pretty epic though. Alright, I hope you guys liked that video. I'm sorry I didn't really go in depth because I just got the GoPro. Well, if you liked that video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe below because I'll have more GoPro footage coming soon. Peace.